Good morning, students. Today we are going to recap what we read on Friday in chapter 4 of our Ancient Rome readers. So to recap a little bit, we know that according to legend, Rome was founded in 753 BC. The greedy kings were ruling king until 509 BC when Rome became a republic and representatives were chosen to represent the Roman people. And then we learned on Friday that the First Punic War began in 264 BCE. And remember, BCE is before Common Era. So the Punic Wars were fought between Carthage and Rome. They lasted about 100 years. And at the start of the Punic Wars in 264 BCE, Rome had most control over control over most of the Italian peninsula. And Carthage was a very powerful city-state in the northern part of Africa. So now let's go ahead and we are going to take notes on that. Get your piece of paper and your pencil, and I'm going to plug this in so you can see. And just like we do in class, we are going to put the header on your paper. Your name, the date. Today is October 12th. This is history. And we're going to just put chapter 4. Now, since this is a recording, at any time you can hit the pause button. Okay, so this chapter 4 is on the Punic Wars. So we are going to write the Punic Wars. And let's make a clean box there. Now, remember we said they started in 200. Started in 264 BCE. And there were 3 Punic Wars. And they were fought between Rome and Carthage. Fought between Rome and Carthage. And then we know that Rome is in Italy and Carthage is in Africa. Okay. Now we are going to have some vocabulary words to write. The first vocabulary word is conquer. And conquer means to win control of a land and its people by attacking an enemy or fighting a war. To win control of a land and its people by attacking an enemy or fighting a war. By attacking an enemy or fighting a war. Okay. That's our first vocabulary word. Conquer. Oh, and you guys cannot see that. I am sorry. Conquer. To win control of a land and its people by attacking an enemy or fighting a war. Next vocabulary word is peninsula. Peninsula. And a peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. A piece of land surrounded by water on three sides. And of course, we know that Italy is a peninsula. And the last thing we're going to write for our vocabulary words is formation. And if you remember correctly, the Roman army got into a formation when they were fighting, an orderly arrangement such as in rows or a line. Formation. An orderly arrangement such as rows or lines. And the Roman army got into formation when they were fighting their enemies or attacking their enemies. Formation. Okay. And that's all of the notes that we have for today. At any time, you can hit that pause button and complete the notes. I can see if I can get all of them on here. If you want, you can pause it on here and complete them. And I don't know if I'm able to do that. I don't think so. Hopefully you got the top. Started in 264 BCE. There were 3 Punic Wars fought between Rome and Carthage. Rome is in Italy. Carthage is in Africa. And then our 3 vocabulary words: conquer, to win control of a land and its people by attacking an enemy or fighting a war. Peninsula, a piece of land surrounded by water. Italy is a peninsula. And then formation, an orderly arrangement such as rows or lines. The Roman army got into formation when they were attacking or fighting. That is it for our history class today. Thank you.